Hi, and welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to talk about disclaimers. So disclaimer menu is available from the left-hand side menu by clicking My Account and Disclaimers. This will bring you to the List Disclaimers page. To add any new disclaimer, simply click Add Disclaimer on the right-hand side, and a new disclaimer page will be displayed. You can enter the name of the disclaimer and put the description and whether or not you'd like to set it as a default disclaimer. You can also view existing disclaimers, their descriptions, and edit any one that you need to. You can also set which one is default so that by default you'll have one that appears on every invoice that you present to every customer. The next area that you can find disclaimers is going to be in the service request itself. At the bottom of every service request, the disclaimer is listed for you to review. If you need to change the disclaimer for a particular service request, you can do so from here by clicking the edit icon, and in the pop-up you'll be able to apply the disclaimer that is relative to this actual service. Thank you for watching Car Training, and have a great day.